Welcome to this quick explainer. We're going to master creating your very first customer in Zoho Books. Ready? Trying to send an invoice but the software blocked you? Asking for a customer? Let's fix that. Here's the golden rule. No customer literally means no invoices and zero payment tracking. It's exactly like saving a new phone contact before you can actually make a call. Makes sense, right? This is absolutely crucial for tracking payments, checking your sales, and blasting out those payment reminders. Okay, let's dive into our 5-step sprint. We'll get this done in under 2 minutes flat. Step 1, navigate over to Sales, hit Customers, and just click New Customer. Super easy. Step 2, punch in the core details: name, company, mobile, and most importantly, their email address. Seriously, double-check that email. Getting it wrong means your invoice vanishes straight into the digital jungle. Step 3. For registered businesses, you absolutely must add their correct GST number and state. Why? Because getting these details right guarantees you'll generate legally bulletproof GST invoices later on. Step 4. Just hit Save. Boom! Just like that, your brand new customer profile is fully ready. Finally, Step 5. Do a quick sanity check on their name, GST, contact info, and opening balance. Check out this real-world example. See how ABC Trader's details are perfectly mapped out for total compliance? You've officially unlocked the software. So what's stopping you from sending out that very first invoice today?